so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no.
Welcome to the animal dance party. All the animals are ready to dance. Let's meet them one by one. Here comes the monkey. Monkey says, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Let's dance with monkey. Jump, jump, jump with monkey. Wow, look who's next. It's the lion. Lion says, roar. Let's dance with lion. Swing your paws, roar with lion. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Who is that? It's the elephant. Elephant says, bawoon. Let's dance with elephant. Swing your trunk, stomp your feet. Waddle, waddle. Oh, here comes penguin. Penguin says, honk, honk. Let's dance with penguin. Side to side, flap your wings. Hooray! All the animals are here. Let's dance together. Monkey, lion, elephant, penguin. That was so much fun. Which animal dance was your favorite? See you next time at the Animal Dance Party.